Giuseppe, what are you doing?
Corvette time!
I work on a Vette today.
Yeah, gotta yank the engine.
Let's do it.
Alright, first thing we're gonna be taking off.
Where are we starting off here?
Is the exhaust. Right here, I'm not taking the manifolds off.
Look at this here, oil filters.
Yeah,
freaking goats and a half.
They bottomed out on it.
I think it
right
did
here.
more than
and
once.
And they tried taking it off. And
Alright, so what are you gonna start?
The first thing I'm gonna be taking off is the exhaust system. Yep. But I'm not taking the whole exhaust. I'm just gonna be unbolting these three and then taking the engine out. You know what I mean? I'm not taking the manifolds off. I'll take them off once I have the engine out.
So you're putting this car back together with exhaust manifolds, no headers, right?
No.
Okay, good.
I'm going to be starting with the bottom. Whatever I can take off from the bottom is where I'm going to start. Like the bell housing, the starter, the oil filter, the exhaust, all that kind of stuff. Then I'll lower the car down and do the top, the carburetor, all that kind of stuff.
Alright, cool.
The distributor cap,
yeah.
You know?
Look how far back the engine is on this car. It starts all the way back here.
Yep.
There?
Yep.
It's for weight distribution, a little more towards the back. Did you see the suspension on the old Corvette?
Oh, yeah.
Transversely from one side to the other. Big, giant, universal joints. There.
And this is a posi.
See that? It's a posi setup.
Okay? From the
got
factory.
Your differentials over here in the middle. You know? Right here's the diff. Drive shaft goes through here. And does anybody know what these holes are? Does anybody know what these holes are? Tell me if you know what these holes are. What are they for? What do we do with these holes?
Let's start with a ratchet.
Uh-oh. You forgot to take one off?
No, just hold starter.
I'm coming.
No, you don't need it.
Yeah, you do. Look, you got another bolt. Hey, happy Halloween.
Okay,
hold it up. Push. Oh, the little muscles. What are you going to do, right? What are you going to do, right? Oh, the little muscles. Don't worry, they'll grow. One day at a time.
He was too weak to hold the starter, so I had to do it.
How do you like it? Come on, take more stuff off. All right, you got a ratchet in the socket, and look, learn something once in your life. Look, I can't wait to. So you need a longer one. You know what I mean? Yeah. We have one.
No way! I was gonna get a shorter one.
Here's one.
I already have it out.
There you go.
I did. I took the bell housing apart.
Right here.
Right. I know that.
You have it out. Right here. Go
Yeah,
ahead, heat it up.
All right. Go ahead.
What's this thing? The owner of the Corvette.
Okay.
Giuseppe's Garage. Bing bang. The other thing. What's in here?
Let's see. Maybe you gave me the keys for it.
Coincidence. Or the title.
Or the title.
Love to get the title. I like that car. Now, before you go stabbing this thing, be careful. Sorry about fruity bag. I like the fruity bag. It's kind of my color. I'd look good this color with some white pants. Look, just real careful. See over here.
Really?
Here. That thing doesn't even cut water. Use the other one.
It's cutting.
Whoa! This is for me.
Man.
I'm wearing this. Oh man! This is crazy.
Oh wow!
Put them on. Let's try it out.
I think this is for you.
Nah, I don't fit it. Oh, look at Fonzie. Button the couple. Look at this. Walk around, you go, What are you laughing at? Yeah,
It's a little big.
you get yellow hair, you'll be Johnny Bravo all the way. Don't worry about it.
Johnny
It's a little
Bravo.
big, but you'll grow into it. This is cool. Turn around. Check it out. Oh, that's awesome, bro.
Yo, smell it. It's really good.
What's the, wait. Yo, look at this. Now walk around and go, You look good, bro. I like that jacket.
Yo, you put it on. I want to see if it fits.
That is awesome, bro. Alright, now I gotta get back to work. I lost my cigar. take it? Did he take it?
No. Here, put it on.
Give me the jacket.
Thanks, Joe. Look at this. It's beautiful.
This is cool. This
See
is
if
cool.
it fits you.
This is cool. I can't see if it fits me because it don't.
Just try it.
I can't break it. No. What are you taking off now?
Well, I'm doing the engine mount. I just took the nut off of the engine mount right here. All right, so now we're gonna do this engine mount. We're gonna take the nut off.
Where's my cigar, first of all? Come on.
Warm.
Warm. Where's my cigar?
No.
Where's my cigar?
No. No. Warmer. Cold.
Where's my cigar?
Cold. Warmer.
Warmer, but you're lying to me.
Warmer.
I can't believe I'm going over this thing.
Take it serious.
Where's my cigar?
Warmer. Boiling. High. Red high.
On the.
Hold this camera. You right there, okay? You look good, bro.
I feel good.
Where's
I
your
really
cigar?
do. Huh?
Where's your
It's
cigar?
on my ear.
No,
It's part of my look.
That's the new one.
I feel good, bro.
You look good, bro.
Don't talk to me. Talk to the jacket. What do you think about that, huh?
All right, bro. Say
I like
so.
this. I really like this jacket. Get the heck out of here.
You look good,
Take
bro.
that engine out. Make it quick. Go quick. See, the problem now is you can't take off the wrench off because it hits the pipe.
Right.
Let me hit it with some penetrating oil. Look out.
Here you go.
This over here. Just take a shot.
This distributor has a cable-driven tack. Another alternative is an electric-powered one, which means every 8 times that the coil spark,
Whoa, that was like a yodel. Yodelay-hoo, yodelay-hoo. Look at me, I'm Giuseppe. Yodelay-hoo every time the coil sparks.
which means every 8 times that the coil sparks is 1 full rotation of the engine, and it gives you the results of your RPMs. There you go. And that's the distributor. One minor little thing, I forgot to take the bracket off of the radiator. Done.
Up you go. Wait. Keep it going, keep it going. Keep it going.
Well, there you have it. 427's out. Now we have to start diagnosing what the engine needs. You know, gaskets, clutch. We're going to be checking out the transmission just to make sure it's still good, which I'm sure it is, but it's been since 1980. I'm going to make sure it's good.
It needs everything.
You don't want
This is going to get completely...
You
I
don't
hope I
wanna-
don't have to send it out to a machine shop, but most likely I do.
No.
I can't stand every time I got to do that.
I don't think so. You put everything back
I
the way
always
it is.
get
It's
some
not
kind
like-
of a nightmare back. Did you see the clutch pressure plate?
No.
Some of the strings released. See how these are further in than this side?
Oh.
This is further in. These springs released
And those didn't.
and these didn't. They have a little bit of pressure on it. New clutch. I'm gonna check out all the valve train. Look at the plane.
Yeah.
Some of these things, they have so much plate. It's insane.
Yeah, that's not
Look at how
good.
much plane.
Yeah,
In the meantime, it's time to clean up. Time to start ordering parts. And
But before that,
before that, taking over.
1 427 at a time.